Have you ever wanted to make a naked cake?
Hi, I'm Kip Cash,
Hi, I'm Bettina.
and we're going to make, bake, and create a wedding cake today. So we're going to get started, and you can see all our stuff right here. I don't know if you can see everything, but it's all the makings for our cake.
And today we're going to show you how we're putting together a wedding cake for a friend. We're going to do a couple tiers. We have everything laid out. Right now we're organized so we know that we have everything, see what we need. And I think we're going to show you the big steps as they come. And right now we're going to mix all the cake boxes and throw them all in the oven.
So here we are putting all the cakes, stacking one on top of the other. These were cakes from a box that we changed the recipe by adding some lemon and some poppy seed. Now we're just frosting it. This is a crumb coat frosting that we're doing for each double layer. And then we're putting them down in the fridge to get cold, and then we can put them back together as one big cake. And you can see in the middle, we're putting a wall to create the place for the icing. And now what we're doing is making all the flowers that are going to go on the cake. And we were going to do red and white, but eventually what we found out was that the colors were pink and white. So we pulled out the red roses and we just used the white roses and the baby's breath and some little mums. And you can see us now decorating the cake. We're just stacking some roses and baby's breath and cascading it down the side of the cake. And then what we had to do after we did this at the wedding is just touch up some of the frosting that had gotten either melted a little bit or bumped by the roses. And now we're just decorating around it and cleaning up. This is my daughter-in-law Fatina and me, and we just made this cake for a friend for her wedding. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to the channel and maybe we'll see some other cakes that we make soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.